Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a shared project folder and confirming runtimes. Install Node, JS and Python 3, then create a virtual environment for Python and run npm init for JavaScript. Once done, pick an interprocess communication pattern, HTTP for REST, WebSocket for bidirectional streams, or child process if you want sync command-style calls. Make sure to install minimal libraries now, Express or AOP later, or use Flask for quick API work. This gets you from 0 to a running scaffold quickly. Next, implement the bridge. In Python, create a small endpoint with Fast API or Flask and return JSON. For WebSocket, use WebSockets or Fast API with WebSocket support. Meanwhile, in Node, JS write a client using fetch or Axios for HTTP requests or WS/socket, EO for persistent sockets. Once connected, serialize payloads as JSON and design simple message types: request, response, error. Make sure to use async/await in both sides so event loops remain non-blocking, and to validate inputs to avoid runtime crashes. To finish, harden and verify the connection. Add cores when calling between origins, require tokens or API keys for auth, and validate inputs to prevent injection. Once done, write tests and use curl or postman to reproduce flows. Add logging with timestamps and structured JSON for easier tracing. If you spawn Python from Node, capture stdout/stdir and respect exit codes, and ensure you kill orphan processes. Troubleshooting tip: if no response appears, check ports, firewall, cores, and whether the Python event loop is blocked by synchronous code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.